Checky, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words, where we follow trading, traveling, and training. As always, troops, before I do get into this very quick video, please do continue to hit the subscribe button down there or up there at the end of this video. And if you do enjoy the content, please do feel free to give me a thumbs up. Help me drive the YouTube algo. We are less than 100 subscribers away from the first 1,000. I never would have believed it in a month of Sundays, troops. Anyway, today, here we are, Tuesday, the 9th of November, 2021. And I'm doing a little bit extra than my weekly wrap-up because yesterday was earnings call for AMC and also some news from GME, which I think is quite exciting. I don't normally buy into hype, but I saw this and I got really quite excited. But first of all, AMC, fantastic earnings report, troops. Fantastic earnings report for Q3. Revenue of $755.6 million versus a consensus and an expectation of $708.3 million. So beating expectations there by almost $50 million for the quarter. Earnings per share minus 0.44 cents versus a consensus and an expectation of minus 0.53 cents. So also beating their troops. Very, very positive. Some things that I did pick up from Adam Aron's call yesterday was that, again, he's confirmed that from next year they will be accepting crypto for payments, Doge, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and one other. And then they're also going to be looking at bringing in Shiba as well. So if you are a Shibu hodler, you will be able to use that in AMC. And they're also going to keep it off the balance sheets so it doesn't become a risk in that sense. They are also confirming that they are diversifying into the popcorn market. They're going to be putting it into supermarkets, things that we already know, troops, and opening some kiosks, home delivery, and the like. The big news for me, although it's not big news, the way that Adam Aron explained it, he is going to be selling some shares later this year. And what I liked about that is that he is being completely transparent, troops, which is what we would expect as shareholders. You want the company to be completely open and honest. And he's obviously preempting the negative press that will come out, because it will come out when that is shown in a filing later this year. But I understand, he said yesterday he's 67 years old. He's got to start planning for his own retirement, etc., etc. So again, don't be too disheartened if you do see that filing. He has been open, he has been transparent, he has put it out there. No doubt there will be those actors on this stage that will try and bring the negative aspect to that. However, I'm not concerned by that at all. So price action wise, yesterday a very strong day, finishing up $3.36 on the share, 8.06%. We did almost touch that $46, troops, yesterday. We had a high of $45.95. So very, very strong. As you can see here, we've now broken out of this wedge. The first day being Friday. Friday just gone. We just pipped over that, and yesterday was a consolidation day, a run up into earnings, not uncommon. And also, what isn't uncommon is if I put this on the 5-minute chart, you can see that as earnings came out, we did drop about half of yesterday's gains. We did peak at 47.50 when the numbers were first released, and then the inevitable sell-off there, troops. Not from us, of course. We all know what is going on there. So all in all, very, very positive for AMC. I would like to see us continuing, obviously, to stay above now and start a new trend. We have, you can see here, starting to pick up a nice new trend. We've got a double bottom scenario here. If I just zoom that in there and there. Okay, so let's see if we can now hold that. Obviously, 38.50 is a good area of support. 39 would also hold up for me as well. Not looking too shabby, troops. So over to GME again on the daily. We have well and truly broken out of this wedge that I've got drawn here. We are now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days out of the wedge. Looking very, very strong indeed, troops. We've had a high of 255 last week, as I discussed in my previous videos. Yesterday, a very good day, 2.5% increase, $5.39 on the share, only an ever so slight drop after hours. Anyway, the news for GME for me is that Ryan Cohen has tweeted. I don't normally get excited, troops, really, I don't. But this has piqued my attention. Deciding between two options for my GME shares, hold or hodl. So take from that what you will, troops, but it's different to the cryptic clues, the cryptic tweets that we normally get from Ryan Cohen, although there is some crypticness, don't know. There is some crypticness to this tweet. For me, it's a lot easier to understand. It's a lot plainer. It does show that he's not planning on selling anything, in my opinion. So expect a good little bump off that today, I would imagine. But like I said, very, very positive there, troops, as well. All looking good throughout the week. Looking for some continuation as the week runs and we get towards the end of the week. And we shall see where we are at. So that's it for this video, troops. Like I said, very, very positive for both stocks. A good start to the week. Like I said, if you have enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. I wish you well wherever you are in the world. Do take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.